Raw onions.
They're strong. Their pungent aroma can fill a room in seconds.
They can make you cry.
Just chopping them can bring tears to your eyes. Why would anyone eat them every day for a month? It seems like a daunting task. Some people believe in the health benefits.
Onions are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They want to see if the claims are true.
Others are curious about the potential improvements in their health. They like to try new things.
The thrill of a new challenge can be enticing.
Whatever the reason, eating raw onions for 30 days is a challenge.
It requires determination and a strong will. This essay explores the raw onion challenge. We'll delve into the motivations behind it. We'll look at the good and the bad,
the benefits and the drawbacks.
We'll uncover the nutrients and the potential side effects.
From vitamins to digestive issues. Get ready for a journey into the world of raw onions.
It's going to be an eye-opening experience. Onions are packed with good stuff.
They have vitamin C, which helps your immune system. They also have fiber, which is good for digestion. But the real stars are the antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. This can help prevent chronic diseases.
Quercetin is a powerful antioxidant found in onions.
It has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce swelling in your body. Eating raw onions may have several health benefits. Some studies suggest they can lower blood pressure.
This is good for your heart health. Onions may also boost your immune system.
They contain compounds that fight bacteria and viruses.
Furthermore, onions may help regulate blood sugar levels.
This is especially important for people with diabetes.
While more research is needed, the potential benefits of raw onions are promising.
Section 4. Not always rosy potential side effects.
While onions offer benefits, there are potential downsides.
Raw onions can cause bad breath. This is due to sulfur compounds released during digestion. Eating too many onions can also lead to digestive issues. Some people experience heartburn or bloating. It's important to listen to your body. If you experience discomfort, reduce your onion intake. Section 5. Real-life onion eaters' stories from the front lines. In this section, we delve into the personal experiences of those who have taken on the raw onion challenge.
Many people have tried the raw onion challenge.
Some report positive experiences, sharing their stories on social media and health forums. They claim to have more energy and better digestion. These individuals believe that incorporating raw onions into their diet has significantly boosted their overall well-being. Others find the taste too strong. The pungent flavor of raw onions can be overwhelming for some, making it difficult to continue the challenge. They struggle to finish the challenge. The intensity of the raw onion's taste often leads to frustration and a sense of defeat. One woman shared that her cholesterol levels improved. She attributes this positive change to the regular consumption of raw onions. A man reported feeling less congested. He noticed a significant reduction in his sinus issues after adding raw onions to his meals. It's important to note that these are individual experiences. Each person's body reacts differently to dietary changes. Results may vary from person to person. While some may see health benefits, others might not experience the same effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Section 6. The final verdict: to eat or not to eat. That is the question many of us face when considering the health benefits and potential drawbacks of consuming raw onions. So, is eating a raw onion every day for 30 days worth it? This challenge has intrigued many health enthusiasts and curious eaters alike. The answer depends on your individual preferences and health goals. Raw onions are packed with nutrients, but they also come with some side effects. Onions offer potential health benefits, such as boosting your immune system, reducing inflammation, and providing essential vitamins and minerals. However, they can also cause side effects like watery eyes, bad breath, and digestive discomfort. These side effects can be a deal breaker for some. If you're considering this challenge, start slowly. Introduce raw onions into your diet in small amounts to see how your body reacts. Add small amounts of raw onion to your meals, such as salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. This way, you can enjoy the flavor without overwhelming your system. Monitor your body's reaction after eating raw onion. Pay attention to any discomfort or adverse effects you may experience.
You can gradually increase the amount of raw onion in your diet as your body adjusts. Remember, moderation is key to avoid any negative side effects. Listen to your body and enjoy the potential benefits of this pungent vegetable. With careful consideration and moderation, raw onions can be a healthy addition to your diet.